new video. So in this video we are going to look on how to add navigation to React Native. Let's say you have different number of screens and you need to add that stuff in your application. So how will you do that? So before starting the demonstration, I just want to let you know that I've been just install the application and run on my simulator. That's it. So I will just scroll up and show you. Yeah, so this what I've been created the app with the help of npx create expa. This is what I've been done, and I also not even install any of the packages because I need to show you that to what packages are needed to run the React navigation in React Native. So the first library or the package you need for this is npm I React navigation slash native. So this is the first package you need, and there is also another package. You just need to replace the native as stack. Yeah. So once this get completed, we will install the other packages too. So npm I oh yeah, just a minute, stack stack. Yeah. So now this package would be also installed, and by which we are ready to use React navigation in our application. So let's say we will do one thing. We will import all the React navigation and do all the React navigation stuff over here only. You can also create a new file and copy that component over here, like replace this stuff and put the component over here. It will work the same, but I am going to show you on the app file because our application is really small. So I am going to import the components which have been installed it, right? So the first import would be this is the first import navigation container from native, which we have been installed first, and the second one would be this one. And now we need to create a stack. We need to call a function of create stack navigator. So yeah, so this what about the stack which will create, and we are calling over here, and we can use this stuff for creating the screens. So let's say I'm removing all the stuff which is there, so you can get to know like React as one, should have one parent component, because of which we have been getting an error. So yeah, don't think about the error. So this is the main component of the navigation, and yeah, so this is the parent component. Inside this we have the stack navigator. Yeah, this is stack navigator, and inside the stack navigator we will have the screens. Let's say you have 10 number of screens or infinity or n number of screens. You can write over here like this your self closing tag, and you can give the name of the screen. Let's say I'm giving the name as home screen. So this is the home screen, and the code for that, let's say component, the home component. So home, let's say home screen. So why I've been given caps, because the component name should start with caps. So this is what the thing. So let's do one thing. We'll create one file as home, and home screen dot jsx, or js also would be fine, anything React Native functional component. Yeah, and we'll just enter text over here, and we'll pass as hello from home screen. Yeah, so this what we have been passing through the home screen. Let import that. So I will just press, yeah, so this will automatically import for me. And yeah, you can see can't find the text variable. So we have used the text, but we have not imported that from React Native. So this is what the error. So this simply means that this file is running. So you can see hello from home screen. Yeah, this is the home screen, And let's say if you want to like hide the header, so you just need to hide it by here, uh, in the navigation content, not in navigation, in the stack navigator. Yeah, so over here screen options, and over here you God, yeah, then header shown is false. Oh yeah, yes, yeah, yeah. I think now it should run. So yeah, you can see hello from home screen. Let make it to a center. We'll give some inline CSS style, align item center or align. Let's do one thing, refresh. Okay, we are unable to see anything. Maybe because of this style, it's not being inputted. Okay. Maybe the center, it's taking in over here. uh, let's put some kind of margin top 20. Yeah, you can see over here. Let's make this as 100. Yeah, hello from home screen, or yeah, so this would be the best. Even 200 would be best. Yeah, so this hello from home screen. Let's say we have a button over here in the home screen, so we'll take the button. Yeah, so button, we have a button component over here, and let's say the, yeah, we need to also pass the title with the button main screen. So let's say on click we need to navigate to another screen. So basically we need to make the functionality on press. So on press navigation dot navigate to uh, main, main or about. Let's take as about. Yeah, so this about the title, and whenever I click, then it should take me to the about page. So this what our problem is, or the challenges. Yeah, so we need to create first of all the about screen. So I will just dot js react native functional component. Yeah, and we will call a text as this is about screen. Yeah, so we need to render it inside the text button, not outside. Yeah, so this about the navigation, to navigate inside the about screen. So before doing that, we need to import the navigation. Let's say if we are using the navigation over here, so we need to import the navigation, else can't find variable navigation will come up. So for removing this, see, we in our home screen there is no issue, means we are getting navigation over here. So simply as a props, so let's try now. So navigation with payload. Okay, so the error over here is that we have been created the about us screen, but it's not in the navigator, so we need to create that. My bad. The name is about, and also the component name is about, which is about. So let's see. The error is there, the text is, yeah, this simply means that our application is working. Yeah. Hey, this about screen. Let's put some kind of css over here and check the about screen. Yeah, so this about the about screen. Let's say the user, whenever he comes to the main screen, this is the main screen, and he need to go to the another screen, he need to navigate, he can go over here. Let's take a scenario where he need to go back. So what you need to do, you need to simply paste this over here, and you need to use an operation and go back. Yeah, we need to import this stuff. This is the home screen. So navigation, so we need to add the navigation over here. Yeah, so this is the about screen, we need to make it as back. See, so you can see the flow. So this is the home screen. While I click on a home screen, it will go to the about, and let's say after that you press a back button or do something, then you need to write this basic stuff. What it will do, it will get back to the main screen. This is something an error, not an the warning, not an error. Yeah. So guys, this is about the React navigation. And being using the Expo, you can also use the CLI. Both the things are same. It doesn't matter if you use a CLI or a Expo. The functionality and the code and the packages which we are using, it's same. And let's say if you want to create some kind of, let's say I've been created navigation .js. So let's say you have been created a new screen and you need to use all those stuff over there, so you can also do that. So React Native functional component, this would be the main procedure. Then you need to copy those in import. Just copy paste over here. Yeah, these are the imports which has been taken. And as you know, stack, this and these three are the things which is about the navigation, and these two are the files which we are gonna use for navigation. And I'm gonna copy this and paste it over navigation. Yeah, so these are the different kinds of routes which we are gonna use. And what are the other things? Yeah, so everything is done. So what I will do, I will remove this stuff. So you can see over the error has been popped up like unexpected token. Okay, so it's not a big deal. So you just need to import this stuff, the navigation virus. Yeah, this one, we just need to import this in the app. Everything would gonna work same. We just have been imported. Yeah, done guys. So you can see everything is done. So how the app code looks clean, so that if someone, hey, here is some kind of navigations going on, so this basically links over here. So about, see, go back, about, then go back. So it's something like I can say yeah, it's the navigation, something like that. Let's say this is the container, and first is the home screen which is over here. And when you go to the about screen, it is in about screen, and the navigator is pointing over here. When you click the go back, so this pointer pops this out and it comes to here. So if you run a function, another function over here as go back, it will not, it will it will not do anything. I think maybe a error can pop up. Let's try and see. In the home screen, we have been using. I will just copy paste the same one back. The same functionality we need to use. Yeah. So over here in the home screen we are back. See, the action go back was not handled. See, there is an error by the navigator. Is there any screen to go back to? There is a development only that won't be shown in a production, but is there any screen to go back? So there is no screen to go back. So that's what they need to tell. So yeah, so that's it, guys, for this React navigation. I hope you like this video. I will request you to please like, share, and subscribe. And also, please comment down if you are facing some kind of issue. I'm really um, free to help you out if you face some kind of issue. Okay, thank you, guys.